Well, thanks for visiting us this afternoon at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Saturday afternoon forecast update. Just wanted to give you a quick update as far as the tornado watch and the severe weather potential that we have over the next few hours. Again, recording this just before 2 o'clock, and you can see here the Storm Prediction Center has just issued a tornado watch, which does include Lafayette and Columbia counties in Arkansas and Caddo, Bossier, Webster, Bienville and Claiborne parishes in Louisiana. That watch goes until 8 p.m., but it looks like the danger here probably in the next 2 to 3 hours or so. So by the time we get to, I would say 4 or 5 this afternoon, I think the danger will be over for most of these areas. But what's happening today, we've got a strong cold front which has been moving through the region here, and the reason the tornado watch is issued, we have very warm temperatures and high humidity here where we are in that watch area. And back to the west, you can see our cold front is bringing a few isolated showers and storms here across northeast Texas and the I-20 corridor. Now, wind and hail going to be the main threats for us, but there is kind of a lower end risk for a few tornadoes to briefly spin up here, which is why we do have the tornado watch issued. We're watching these storms. Again, the cold front's back here through Gilmer and up through Titus and Franklin counties and moving into Cass County. That's the actual cold front here, and we could mainly see wind and hail with that. It will be these storms in the warm air out ahead of the front that are popping up right now that we'll have to watch for that tornado potential. But again, that window is closing on us very quickly, and if you're anywhere behind the front here, including Texarkana up into Arkansas as well as Oklahoma and northeast Texas, if you've already felt the rain come through and that cool air coming in, severe weather threat is over for those locations. And again, that severe weather threat should wrap up for the rest of us in the upcoming hours. Prepare for what will be a significant temperature drop here as we go through late tonight and tomorrow morning. Right now, out ahead of the front, you can see the temperature is up to about 80 degrees, which would tie a record high in Shreveport if we did hit that today. And you can see behind the front we have dropped into the 60s here, so the temperature is going to start dropping like a rock once those winds shift around to the north. And it will be very breezy here tonight, and that breeze will be that north wind pushing all of that cold and dry air into the region. So after a month of just breaking record highs week after week after week, we start out 2022 with a pretty significant blast of cold air. In fact, these will be some of the coldest temperatures we've had since last February, when we had, of course, all the snow and ice around the Arklatex. But your lows tonight will be in the teens and 20s. Doesn't tell the whole story if you factor in that wind. You can see the wind chill temperatures here as we head towards sunrise tomorrow morning, down to about 4 degrees in Idabel. That's what it will feel like with the wind factored in. Maybe as low as around 10 degrees in Texarkana. Shreveport, if you step outside at sunrise tomorrow, will probably feel like it's 16 degrees. In fact, we'll have that wind all day tomorrow, so even though your air temperatures will be above freezing in the upper 30s and low 40s with that wind going all day, it looks like our temperatures will likely stay in the 20s, at least the wind chill there. So prepare for what will be a hard freeze tonight and likely Sunday night. So you want to protect your pipes, plants, and of course your pets as well. And make sure you join us tonight on NBC6 News at 6. Coming up at 6 p.m. we'll have the latest on the severe weather threat and another update on the cold air coming in tonight.